fundamental model by using a search and retrieving information from a collections of documents. We have a set of principles such as set theory and logics, and these documents are represented in the forms more or less in the terms or in words and queries. Let us say these express are in more or less in the Boolean expressions and using some of the logic operators such as in and, or, and not. We have some of the certain procedures to implement these programs, such as we have to initialize from this program. We need to see that initialize from starting that initializing the Boolean return classes, such as the Boolean return. I can explain why the Boolean return class is used to measure for managing the indexing and as well as the searching of documents. And second, we may be able to see that the construction and index initialization has been done. And some of the class contact will initialize the empty index for storing the initialized inverted index mapping terms and documents. And in the form of these in this program, we can able to see that first we have imported the numpy as well as pandas, and we have first defined the Boolean class of retrieval. These Boolean class of retrieval is using these major programs such as the indexing documents and web searching, fetching a web page tags as well as a Boolean search. This is considered for a Boolean search. First, we have imported that Boolean search as a method for performing the Boolean search on the index document, as well as tokenizing the input and input query, as well as iterative through its terms. And second one, we have used some of the each terms in the query to retrieve the document containing the term as well as in the performs as a Boolean operations, such as and, or, not, and based on the query theory, query structures. And as well as some of these, most of these uses some of the fetching the web page texts from the web pages methods uses the some of the request library to fetch the content from the given URL and extract the text content from the fetched HTML using the a beautiful soap. And the extracted text is next returned to for the further processing. First, we have designed the classes such as Boolean retrieval, and next we have defined the program for the printed document matrices using some of the we have already uses the library from NumPy as well as pandas. In first, we can see some of the self-index which are the initial form matrix, and then we have used this index documents such as self and document ID and text for the importing the lower splits. Then we have created a for loop in the means of terms. Then we have created a document list so that we can import a document. We have used the matrix such as np.docs number of terms for importing matrix. Then we have printed a document. Once we get document, then we get processed. Then we have used that defined print document matrix like table itself to print the matrix that hold a process structure. And we have used some of the booleans which we have defined here for self queries as well, such as a query low def splits. And we have a term and query terms as well as in the cells. It starts with checking with not or not. And we have a document such as contain like Python as a program language and information that are dealing with the finding information and Boolean models are used in internet retrieval and all. Using this, we can able to process the whole query and return the results. And once we get a result, we will print the query using the if loop. Thank you so much for giving this most opportunity, ma'am, for explaining this experiment. Thank you.